people, but I'm not here as a savior or any of that type of thing. I think I'm just having a really good conversation with an intellectual person.
Oh, I'm not talking about here. I'm talking about your wild ass videos. Go watch the other ones if you want to see what I'm talking
about. Nah, bro. My videos are chilling.
I just think that like if you're waking up people to this, then you get a certain amount of audience. I mean, we're seeing it happen to somebody right now that is a threat to your personality or your personal lifestyle. But I don't even want to talk about that right now. I really want to go back to objectively what does, because it's going to be fine for the everyday person. Like everything you're talking about, the Matrix will still exist. I kind of like the Matrix. The Matrix is good vibes.
Here's the thing, bro. You like your Matrix.
Yeah,
you like your Matrix. If you were in the Congo, if you're in the Congo right now and you were mining cobalt and lithium, you wouldn't be fucking with that Matrix. So you just have to.
Are CBDCs like gonna hurt them the most?
I have no idea, bro. I have no idea about how this, bro. Somebody's got to be out here mining for the iPhones.
Way above my pay grade right now.
Mining for the iPhones. The iPhone that you have was built with slavery, right? The clothes that you have was built with slavery.
Work on UBI? Robots?
Yeah, probably.
Hopefully,
probably something that automates. I don't know. Go watch
Straight Wall-E, bro. Yeah.
Straight Wall-E. There's a lot of movies, and this is all predictive programming. They're showing you what society is going to be.
It's so scary,
dude. Can I tell something crazy? Look this up. When you turn on a Tesla,
look at the camera.
Okay, when you turn on a Tesla, there's something. I think Tesla's shit, right? It's a surveillance car. That shit's 100%.
Damn it, dude. Another one.
They're a data company.
I have no idea what's going on in this world, bro.
Brother.
Go on, finish.
Brother.
Sorry.
Elon Musk is like Lex Luthor. He wants to implant a chip in your brain. He owns the internet, the satellites on the internet. He owns your car. He owns your Wi-Fi. Now he owns your social media platform. And he owns the AI. And he owns the information that's going to feed the AI. And you think, dude, at any moment they can blackmail the dude for doing something that he wasn't supposed to do.
He's blackmailable?
Anybody's blackmailable, brother.
Okay.
They're human. They're human. That's why all these... Well, we won't go into that one. But anyways.
Thank you. Finish the test.
All right, so back to the point, right? So you have these ecosystems that you need to be taken into account, and not everything is what it appears to be. And the intentions may start good, but in the wrong hands, they can become extremely misused. And I think people need to be aware of the potential misuse for them to make an educated decision. And I think I'm just offering a different perspective.
I don't think Elon's bad. Well, I don't know a lot.
I don't know him. I'm not saying he's bad. I didn't say he was bad. I said he's like Lex Luthor.
Okay.
Because what was Lex Luthor doing? Competing with who? Superman, to control what? The world. Dude, Elon owns the internet. He owns the social media platform. He owns the AI. He owns the brain chip thingy. He owns the boring company.
I'd do that.
Brother, people are out here to run the game. What do you want me to tell you?
The first
what am I saying? I'm just
Neuralink.
giving you straight facts, bro. Like,
this video
you can do your research.
Neuralink, bro.
What were we talking about? I was going to make a point about something.
Tesla?
Oh yeah, the Tesla thing. Okay, look up a Tesla right now, and there's this thing that happens, which is when the car kind of has the cameras that record if anybody comes up to the car. That's what happens. It's like a prevention security mechanism. You need to look at the dashboard, and you know what the dashboard looks like as the line crossing through it with the little red eye? It looks like the evil character from WALL-E, which is literally the circle all the way down with the fucking line. I'm like, okay, the fuck is it? Is this is this a Matrix coincidence?
No,
what do you mean? Stop, motherfuckers! What do you mean? Stop! This shit's
real.
Look it up.
At Tesla could have just thought it was funny, bro.
And it doesn't.
It's not like
But the point is,
Freemasons or some shit, bro.
Brother.
I don't know.
I'm not saying it's the Freemasons. I'm not saying it's the Freemasons, bro. I never said once that it was the Freemasons.
That's just how I take your tone all the time.
No, bro.
You get so serious. Look at your Tesla. Look at the cameras. A red line.
Brother, there's a reason. There's a reason I have camera covers, right? Because your phone is a surveillance system.
If you have TikTok,
Apple literally runs an ad right now that says iPhone. Period. It's privacy. The fuck, it's privacy? It ain't no privacy. They're telling you that it's privacy, but it ain't privacy.
I mean, everyone was talking about how, like, in the 70s, the house would be bugged. Now we all put an Amazon Echo that's allowed to listen to us.
Dude, look what Snowden said we're literally spied on. What do you do with that information?
You don't. You just keep living in the Matrix.
Exactly. You live in the Matrix. But here's the reality. You have to be aware of that information if you want to level up inside the game. The people that run the game know the rules. Know the rules.
Look at YouTube. You can learn.
You see that Trump pays no taxes? He did it all legally.
He told everybody.
Motherfucker ran the loopholes. He literally said to Hillary, the reason, right, I do what I do is why? Because you allow the rules to happen. So what you need to do is understand the rules of the game.
No, you need social skills, and you need to get in the right rooms, and you need skills so you can provide value, so you can get in there and people keep wanting to hang out with you because you're fun and you're good at what you do. There's
But you
no
need to
other way
understand how
around
the
it, bro.
rules, how the game is played, bro. You need to understand the rules of the game. Like there are unwritten rules on money. There's unwritten rules on
How do you get access
relationships
to that information?
by leveling up.
Boom.